Understanding the type code for the HMV Indramat supply units. HMV identifies this as a power supply unit. 01 indicates it is Series 1. 1 refers to the design version of 1. E means it has a feeded power supply configuration. W indicates it cools using internal air from an integrated blower. 0030 means it has a rated output power of 30 kilowatts. A identifies the IP20 protection rating. 07 refers to the nominal DC bus voltage of 700 V. NNNN means there are no other design features. Frequently asked questions. What is the output current? The output current is 69 amps. What is the rated input current? It has a rated input current of 51 amps. What is the rated control voltage input? The rated control voltage input is 24 volts. What is the max ambient operating temperature? The max operating temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. How much does the motor weigh? It weighs 13.50 kilograms. Thank you for watching.